Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi,
Dave.
Dave.
How's it going?
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
All right. So, first thing, I'm going to Skype you over a link real quick. Go ahead and click on it, and it'll take you over to the Dabble board. All right. Did you get the link? Is it coming up?
Yeah, it says it's
Yeah, it
loading.
says it's loading.
Okay. It came
Okay.
up now.
It came up now.
Okay. All right. Can you see my little swirly that I'm drawing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, all right. So, what is it? Are you on Odysseyware or are you on Novanet?
I'm on
I'm
Odyssey,
on Odysseyware,
but I had to get on
but
that
I had
site
to
too.
get on that site too.
Is that what I have to do right
Is
now?
that what I have to do right now?
Okay. So we're looking at ratios and proportions.
Right. Yeah.
Right.
Is it
Yeah.
converting metric units? Is that what you're
Yeah.
on? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
So,
I went over that. I was like
And I went over
five,
that
six
like
times, and I'm just like,
5, 6 times, and
I
I'm
get
just
what it
like,
is, but I just
like I get
don't
what it
know
is, but I just don't know
if I'm getting wrong.
what am I getting wrong.
okay. All right. So, let me write this out here. Base. Going down, we have Jesse Santini. Okay. So can you see my little thing on the Dabble board? Okay. So what you need to do here is let's see. So if you're looking at question 1 here, so it's asking 575 milliliters equals how many liters? Okay. So you're starting down here at milli.
Right.
And there's 575 milliliters. Okay, and it's asking you how many liters that contains, and liter, it doesn't have a prefix, so that's the base. Okay, so you're moving from milli up to the base, which is, if you just count it up, you have 1, so you go milli to centi is 1, centi to deci is 2, and deci to the base is 3. So what you do, whole number of the decimal place is here at the end of it, right? So what you do, since you're going up 3 steps on this little ladder,
Mm-hmm.
you move the decimal place 3 steps to the left. So that would give you 0.575. Does that make sense why I did that? Do you see?
Oh yeah.
Do you
Okay.
see like the kind of conversion there?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay. And then so this next one, it's asking 0.987. Here, let me get rid of those. Okay, so the next one says 0.987 meters. So that's the base because there's no prefix. It's 0.987
Mm-hmm.
equals how many millimeters? Okay. So you're going down to this one on the millimeters here. Okay. So for this one, you're going down the list. You're going down the list. Base to deci is 1, 2, 3. So since you're going down 3 spaces, you move the decimal points 3 spaces to the right.
Right. Okay.
So that would end up being 987
Right.
milliliters.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Does that sort of make sense?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like, okay, because it could be so easy once you
Mhm.
know how to do.
Yeah, I was
Problem
like,
stuff.
okay, because
Yep.
it can be
But
so
then it's
easy
like
once you
difficult, and then
know
you're
how
like,
to
how?
do the
Yeah.
problem, you know.
Um,
But then it's
and,
like
and
difficult, and then you're like, how? Do
yeah, and and did you write
it's
this
just
down?
like,
This my little
it's
list
like
here.
it's time to call.
Yeah.
Okay. Because that'll work for all of these problems. Um,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and just remember, if you're going down, you move the decimal point to the right. If you're going up, you move it to the
Yeah.
left.
Mhm.
Mhm.
So, let's see. Let's do another one here. Kilograms to grams. Okay, so this next one, it says I have 24 kilograms, and we're moving down here to grams, which is the base. So what would you do there?
You said the
Mhm.
number 6?
I'm sorry, what was that?
The
Hold on.
you
I'm
said
not
the
even on
number 6.
Odyssey right now.
Hold on, I'm not even on Odyssey right now. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay.
Just a sec.
Okay.
Hold on just a second.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm trying to get to Odyssey where Better logs me off for some reason.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get to Odyssey where, but it logs me off
Logging you off
for
of Bob
some
somewhere?
reason. Huh?
Yeah, so do I just quit?
Yeah, so do I just click?
Okay.
Okay.
It's not letting me log in.
Are you using your 3G card right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not letting me log in.
Not very good. So, with the dabble board and with the Skype,
Yeah.
it might just be like too much for it to handle or something.
Oh, okay.
But just look at the dabble board for right now.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
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 Okay. So can you see the list and everything there?
Okay.
The problem that I was looking at here, it said have 24 kilograms, and it wants to know how many grams. Okay. So you're starting here at kilo, and you're going here to the base.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So what would you do there? So first of all, we're moving downward. So in which direction are we going to move the decimal point?
You move that to the left, right?
Yep. And how many places left are we going to move it?
You move that to the left, right?
So, so what would our answer be?
3 places.
So if you move that 3 places.
So if you move that 3 places. I'm trying to get it.
I'm not sure.
So if you move that 3 places, that would be.
Okay. So since we're moving at 3 spots and there's
I'm
actually
not sure.
2 places, we need a placeholder there. So you just put a 0.
Hello?
Alright, okay. So just be 24 kilos?
Alright, okay.
Well, we're starting with 24 kilos and we're going.
So just be 24 kilos? Okay.
So we would end up with this 0.024.
Oh, okay. So you only do that if there's nothing to the left of it.
Yeah.
Put a 0. Just like the same thing you'll do for to the right.
So you only do that if there's nothing
like, if you had,
to the left of it.
This is just for
Put a
example,
0. Just like the same thing you'll do for to the right.
To move the decimal point to the left 3 times, you go 1, 2, you go 3, and then you'd have to have a placeholder there. So you'd have to put a 0.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
The same thing here. We moved it 3 times. We go 1, 2, and then 3, but there's nothing there, so we got to put that 0 there. So does that make sense there?
Yes, it does.
Okay. Alright, so let me do this one here.
Yes, it does. Yeah.
Okay, so what's the next one here? Let's see what they want here. Okay. Alright, so does all that make sense there?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I was just going through the questions, and there's a different way that they're showing you how to do it. Which
Yeah.
which also works, but okay, so I can show you this real quick. Okay, so do you have all this stuff here? Do you have it all written down? Okay, so can I erase it?
Yeah.
So they're doing it in proportions.
Yeah.
So yeah, which is kind of a bit of a different way to do it. Okay, so it says we're going to convert 345 milliliters, 2 liters. 345 milliliters, 2 liters. Alright, so when you're setting up a proportion like this, you're going to have basically what looks like one fraction that equals another fraction. Okay? And you're going to do so whatever you're converting it to is going to be on the bottom left side here. Okay? So you're going to have 1 liter, and then on top of that, you're going to have however many milliliters are in 1 liter. Okay? Which in this case equals 1,000. And then on the second one, on the top, you're going to put whatever number you're converting. 45. And then on the bottom of the second one is just going to be the X, because that's your unknown. That's what you're trying to find.
Right.
Okay?
that's it?
As far as I can tell here,
Right.
that's all they want you to do. They just want you to set it up.
Oh, so that's it? Wow.
Yeah, they don't even want you to start.
Well, that's easy. Okay.
So, just remember. The bottom left is what you're converting to. If you're converting to liters, that would be, and it's just going to be 1 unit of whatever it is.
Mhm.
So if you're converting to liters, it's going to be 1 liter. If you're converting to milliliters, it's 1 milliliter. And then above that is how many I don't know how to put that. Like how many units? Like how many milliliters there are in liters? Does that make sense? Okay. And then down here is always going to be an X. And then up top is your convert from.
Mhm.
So does that make sense?
So, like, how many units, and then convert from that? Just like how you showed me on the topic?
Yep.
Okay.
Mhm. So, like, how many units, and then convert from that? Okay. Just like how you showed me on the topic.
So do you want to try that?
Okay.
That quiz again?
Yes, please.
Okay. And then just let me know.
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense.
If you need some more help.
Okay.
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 All right. So yeah. So
Yes,
just,
please.
give me a holler if you need me again. And then
Okay.
I'll
Thank you.
I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Bye.